Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching thumbnails with AI? I'll show you exactly how. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose Custom Size if you want to enter your own dimensions. Alternatively, you can type thumbnail in the search bar to find preset sizes. Select the option that best fits your needs to continue. Next, select the option labeled YouTube Thumbnail from here. Go to the Elements panel. Here, we'll create a thumbnail. Select the shapes or graphics you want to use. Arrange them on your canvas to design your thumbnail. Make sure to add text or images that clearly describe the video content for viewers. Click the Share button in the top right corner to open sharing options for your document or file. To create a soccer game thumbnail with Anton font and yellow text, open your graphic design software. Start a new project with your desired dimensions. Select or import a soccer-related background image. Add your text title, then choose Anton from the font menu. Set the text color to yellow for visibility. Save your completed thumbnail. Choose a colorful background by clicking the background options, then select your preferred color to apply it immediately. Click the Generate button to create your output. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, review the generated content to ensure it matches your expectations. Adjust settings if necessary for best results. This is an example of an AI model, often called AI-1, which refers to a basic artificial intelligence system. AI-1 typically performs simple tasks such as recognizing patterns or making basic predictions from data. You'll find AI-1 commonly used in applications like spam filters or simple recommendation engines online. This text now looks better. You can use it as is or center it for a balanced appearance. Click to place it in the middle. Next, click the Edit button to make further changes. This opens up editing options, allowing you to tweak the text style and appearance. With these quick steps, you can achieve a polished final look. Select Scan to enable the option for filling the entire page. Once scanning is complete, make sure the whole page is visible within the preview. After you've confirmed this, continue to the next step in your document workflow. Click the Done button to confirm your changes. Next, locate and click the Share button to open sharing options. From there, choose Download to save your file directly to your device. This process ensures you complete your edits before downloading and sharing the finished content. Maximize the size to improve quality. Click the Download button to save your file, or choose PDF Print if you prefer to print or share as a PDF. For professional printing, always choose CMYK color mode. This ensures accurate color reproduction and consistency across printed materials, giving your project a polished, professional look. Now you know how to create eye-catching thumbnails with AI. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.